Subscribe and press the bell icon first to see the latest video.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a realistic apple with the oil pastel. For that, what you need, your pencil, eraser, paper, and your oil pastel and a blending stump. So let's get started.
So first, what I'm gonna do here, I'm making a regular circle. So you can just start with a regular circle. Do not erase it too much, while you're making the circle. It just not exactly circle, kind of a little bit of oval shape. There we go. So you first make a circle, and then I'm making a little curvy line inside, which will go in to the right and into the left as well. I'm adding a stems here, so the stump's gonna be a little shorter, not too big stems. And we'll do some coloring later on and create the look, create an illusion of the deepness over this area. Other than that's it, like apple is very basic drawing. And over here I'm gonna create a kind of a curved line for the bump. And that's it. We're done with our apple sketching. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna erase the excess line, any line we don't want. I'm gonna erase that. There we go. And if you make a smooth, nice line here, and over this area, and make a nice and small bump, a little bump over the bottom, just a little tiny bit. There we go. So we are done sketching. It's a very easy and simple sketch. And now we'll color it. So I took yellow, orange, red, brown, light green, and dark green, and also my blending stumps. So first I'm gonna take my yellow and add some patches of yellow. So I'm going up and down motion here and adding some yellow over here inside this area. Same thing, I'm making some curved line, like suppose it's coming outside, and some curved lines over here. So a lot of people say, like, apple is red, so why you are using different colors? See, no matter what we are doing, any fruits, anything we color, there's a lot of different variation of colors, so we have to keep that in mind. So I teach that all the time in my classes. So yeah, there's a lot of different type of colors. Yeah, all right, so I'm using a little bit more yellow over here. That's it. Now I'm gonna take my orange, and for the orange I'm gonna use very light. Do not need to add too much color here. We'll add another second layer later on, so on that time we will use more color, more pigment if we need. And we will do blend today with our blending stumps. So if you haven't watched the video of how to use the blending stumps, so please go ahead and watch that one first, because it's very important how you use it. If you are using in a wrong technique, it can totally look different. Using a little bit more red to the side, and I'm adding a lot of red over here, the line we did over there. So a lot of red over here and a little bit more patch over here. Now I'm gonna take my brown and adding my brown around this area, and a tiny bit of brown, teeny tiny bit of brown over this area. All right, now I'm gonna take my blending stump. So I'm making sure my blending stump is clean, and I'm starting the blending over here from the top left side, and I'm making some little circular motion, and then blending over here. See, it's blending very smoothly. Make sure when you are blending, no white spot over here. And also you can leave me a comment what else video you want to watch, so I'll try to make the video you guys like. Okay, now see over here, I'm not crossing too much inside. I'm not going too much inside the yellow. I just blended over here. Now I'm blending the bottom part. And inside this part, it will be yellow a little bit. We'll blend to the side. I'm gonna take just a tiny bit of yellow, and I'll add over here, only this part. Very nice. Good going. Good job. And guys, if you have any question regarding the video, you can just comment me. I read literally each and every comments, so I'll try to answer your question. Definitely, I'm gonna try my best. Okay, now over here I'm gonna use a little more red, just a tiny bit. See how beautiful the color is blending. Very nice. Great going, great going. Good job, guys. Over here, there is especially at the edge area, go a little bit slower so the color does not go outside. It does not smudge outside, so go a little bit slow. There we go. Beautiful. Now you see there's a lot of white spots, white areas, so we'll fill them in, a couple of them, but couple of them I would love to keep the natural flow. Just a couple of them I'm gonna leave some of them over here. It will create a nice reflection, so I'll just keep this area, and rest I'm gonna use my color. Some spot I'm gonna use yellow, some area I'm gonna use red. So it's kind of looking like more realistic. I'm doing the edges very gently, very slowly. And this one I'm bringing it down because it will start from inside and will go toward the outside. So make sure you just make some line going inside. So I'm gonna use a little bit more yellow over this area and a tiny bit of little brown. We'll go up here and then it will come all the way down this way. Alrighty, now I'm gonna take my yellow a little bit and I'm gonna make a nice and smoother edge all around the side. It will kind of give it a nice glow, even this side as well, but this side I want to keep it just a little bit, not all the way from top to bottom, just a little bit is good. And same thing we'll do over here, the top area. And that's it. So we have our beautiful apple here. And then I'm gonna make the stems here. For the stems, I took my brown, I just did a little bit of brown here and a little bit of orange. And then I'm gonna keep some areas with the white so it kind of creates the reflection. Just a little bit lighter area. Alrighty, this is good. Now if you want to add some shading underneath, so you can take, that's totally optional. So I took my brown and a little bit of gray with the brown, and I took a little bit of yellow, just a very tiny bit of yellow. Now I'm going to take my blending stumps and first try to blend the close area where it's closest to the apple. And then you can go all the way toward outside and making some circle. Some white here to make sure the edge is not that harsh. So I'm gonna use some white and we'll blend the white here. All around the side. And that's it. So we have our beautiful apple. You guys, don't forget to like the channel, share the video, and subscribe the channel.